Hey, Elise Pickett here with the Urban Harvest, and today we are going to be talking about one of the biggest problems in the garden, pests. Small insects can get the better of you quickly. A lot of times they go unnoticed until they are crazy out of control in the garden when we finally notice there's an issue with the plant. When we're talking about insects, it could be anything from an aphid, which is a tiny little speck on the leaf, all the way up to a caterpillar the size of your thumb and everything in between. Luckily, um, for the most part, most of the ways that you're going to deal with these pests isn't going to vary much. If you're cool with it, honestly, the easiest way to get rid of these pests is by either hand squishing or hand picking them off. Sounds a little intense, you get used to it pretty quickly, but it's a very effective way to get just those pests without having to spend money or bother any of the good guys in your garden. If you want to step it up or you can't quite handle that, there are all sorts of different sprays and oils you can use. Anything with soap is going to help or oils. Just know that if you do those, you do need to make sure that you spray them very early in the morning and potentially even wash them off a few hours later. If the oils still remain on the plant when it gets to full sun and midday heat, it can burn leaves and cause more problems than you're preventing. A few other ways that you can handle these pests are by attracting beneficial insects. So, getting the good guys to fight the fight for you, way more hands off and less maintenance on you. Planting lots of flowers, leaving pests be as much as possible, and allowing nature to do its thing is a really laid back, organic approach to gardening.